Like many great ideas, this wasn't born in a lab. It started at our desk with a simple question. Why can't a pen be beautiful on the outside and the inside? And once we asked this, we stopped seeing boring cylinders, only patterns. Layer by layer, the maze pens were born. Fountain pens not bound by the limits of traditional machining. Instead, pens built from light, resin, and imagination. Now, ink spirals like DNA, speaks in Morse, swirls with motion, coils with intent, and turns with every twist of design into flow. This isn't science fiction. This is your next fountain pen. Sounds crazy? We had the perfect tool for crazy, 3D printing. While that goes on, let us tell you about Endless. We are a multiple award-winning luxury stationery company from India. We're the minds behind Alchemy Inks and the Phantom Fountain Pen, which was born right here on Kickstarter. This year, in collaboration with ArcLayer, we bring you visually stunning pens unlike you've ever seen before. We have also designed a variant with a Japanese eyedropper mechanism, which means no leaks, even at 30,000 feet. Fill it, lock it up, and write without worry. You can even choose the standard eyedropper variant if that suits you better. Because a maze pen isn't just a writing tool, it's a conversation starter, a showpiece on your desk, a flex in your pocket. The maze pens are available in 5 patterns: DNA, swirl, coil, twist, and Morse. And in 4 colors each of red, blue, green, and incredible clear transparent demo version. Every backer can choose from extra fine, fine, medium, broad nib, and a very special architect nib for their pens. All the maze pens will also be shipping with a filler for your convenience. Every maze pen will arrive in a custom 3D printed case that can double as a fun, fidgetable toy.